welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're turning, hey friends. So today, can you guess what we are celebrating? We are celebrating 4 years of being locked, y'all. This is what my locks are looking like. They're still here, they're still on my head, and I am enjoying the process still. I really appreciate y'all during this whole lock journey. Some of y'all found me at the beginning of my lock journey, some of y'all found me at the middle of my lock journey, but I am still on this journey, and I really do appreciate all of this support y'all have shown me. So today I'm going to do something fun with my locks. I'm going to add perm rods into my locks. I don't really do this style so often, but someone suggested now that my hair is longer, they want to see what it's going to look like. Before I get into that video, I'm just going to give y'all a little bit of an update on my locks, and also of course a 360 so y'all can see what my hair is looking like now. And also I might do like a little mashup of like some pictures so y'all can see how far I have came. I will never forget how far I came. If you're new to my channel, I have started my own locks. I'm a DIYer girl, and I started my locks with maybe like an inch of hair, and I did comb coils and they stayed in, and now I have 140 beautiful locks, y'all. They are kind of long. They're long. Should I do the 360 first? I'm gonna show y'all my hair first, and then I'm gonna get into like a little update for y'all. Don't be alarmed, it's all mine. I don't know if y'all know like the tattoo I have on my back, but it's almost covered now. My whole tattoo on my back is almost covered, but this is what we're looking like. This is what it looks like. So nothing really has changed with my hair besides the fact that it is just growing longer. My hair is dry all the time. I literally have tried everything, even conditioner. I still use conditioner to this day, but I've tried aloe vera water. I've tried water, like different leave-in conditioners. I've literally tried everything, and I just feel like my hair is just dry. And I'm trying to remember the stuff that I used as a loose natural, because my hair was never dry as a loose natural. It's just dry with my locks, and I just really hope that doesn't affect my locks long term. But I no longer have any Loc Sprinkles. I took all my Loc Sprinkles out. I think I said that in my last lock update video, because they were just falling out, so I just clipped the Loc Sprinkles out. So no more Loc Sprinkles. I still want to dye my hair, but I have not dyed it yet. But I did buy some henna because my hair is kind of brown. It's a little lighter on the ends. You can't really tell on the camera, but I do feel like with the henna, I can kind of tint my hair ginger. I don't know if it'll pick up or not, but maybe in like the sun, you can kind of see like a hue of ginger. But I did buy that. I haven't put it in my hair yet because I do want to make a video. I think it might pick up a little bit, but my hair is a little bit lighter. Build up, I don't have any build up, but I do have a little bit more lint than usual, and I think that's because I started to use shea butter a little bit more often. And I do feel like when you use more products in your hair, it attracts more lint, unfortunately. It's like choose your battle. Do you want dry hair or do you want linty moisturized locks? And I honestly personally feel like I need that linty moisturized. Like I need moisture. I need moisture, and that's just my whole thing about my locks right now, is just trying to figure out how to retain moisture in my locks. I do feel like I'm going to do maybe a lock detox. I usually do that once a year. I'm going to probably do it in June or July, or I might even do it for my next retwist, but I don't know yet. But that's just pretty much my lock update. I'm going to go ahead and get into this perm rod set. I am using the color white. This is the exact same color that I used in my last perm rod set. I feel like it's going to look really cute with the length that my hair is now. So I am excited to kind of compare what my locks were looking like when they were shorter. So I decided not to wash my hair because I don't want to sit under the dryer all day, and I washed my hair last week, so I'm just going to heavily mist my hair until it's saturated enough. I don't like washing my hair, y'all. It now takes 2 days for my hair to dry if I'm not sitting on the air dryer. Like, to air dry, it takes 2 days. That is absolutely insane. So we're just going to mist my hair, and I'm going to use some of this foaming lotion to just kind of hold the style in. And hopefully that's all I need to do. I'm going to try to do 2 locks per perm rod. So let's see how this goes. Start at the end, and then you're just going to roll your way towards your face and just keep rolling. I kind of like So I just finished the back of my head. I don't know what it looks like back there, but it took me at least an hour to do the back of my hair. So it'll probably take me 45 minutes to do the front of my hair just because I can see it. But it's going good. So far, it's actually easier now that my hair is a little bit longer. So let's see how the front part goes. So in the front, I kind of want to have like bangs, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do them like going towards my face instead of going to the side, so they can kind of lay on like my face. I just have this half to do, and then I'm done, and I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. I'm actually doing this faster than what I thought it would be, but that's a good thing, right? I'm going to sit under the dryer for about probably like 45 minutes and let them dry fully. And then I'm going to take them out and show y'all the finished results. Okay, so I think my hair is finally dry. I'm a little concerned because some of them feel a little damp. Or maybe it's just me, but I've been drying for like 5 hours now, and then I just sat under the dryer again just to be extra sure that it's not, I'm scared. I'm nervous, but okay, let's see. We're gonna do this one. So this time, yeah, I'm not gonna separate the curls this time. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it feels dry. Okay, hold on. It actually looks pretty cute. I'm not separating the curls this time. Oh, that's still damp. It's still damp, y'all. What am I gonna do? What should I do? I feel like I can't turn back now. What should I do? Okay, we're just gonna keep going. I'm so sad that this is like still wet. And I knew it was gonna be wet. Next time I'm just gonna have to sleep in them because my hair just takes so long to dry. Look how tight this one is because she's fully dry and all the other ones kind of fell a little bit. The top of my hair is super dry. I'm so sad that my hair dried like this because it was supposed to dry evenly, but it didn't. And I waited all day. Y'all, I finished this around like 1. And right now it's 5:30. And I sat under the dryer. This side's so much better. I'm going to do this again in like June for sure. I love the curls. This side's so much curlier. I kind of want to redo it tomorrow, but I mean, I'm not going nowhere. So I really... Let's blow dry it a little. I'm here for it. I absolutely love how the perm rods look on my hair. However, this side's giving like more of a looser curl. This side is giving more of a tighter curl. And I really honestly feel like it's my fault because I was trying to avoid sleeping in the perm rods. But next time, I'm definitely going to be sleeping in those perm rods because I want the full effect of my curls all looking the same. Like beautiful curls. If only I just slept in them. But I really did not feel like sleeping in these perm rods. But honestly, you probably can't tell. In a couple of days, this side will probably start falling. But I just want to show y'all the back. I actually really love the curls. I'm going to do this again probably in like June or July. But like you can see, like some of the curls just... I love this more that my hair is longer now. It's just so much volume. I love me some good volume. But I think I can pull it off if I style it. Like I am gonna rock these curls for a while until they completely fall. But yeah, I am kind of sad that this side doesn't really look the same as the other side. But this is my 4-year lock update and style for y'all with the perm rods. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye friends.